Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive straight into how to plan and track your fund investment portfolio in Airtable, your complete guide for 2025. The first thing we're going to do is create a new base in Airtable. To do this, click on the plus icon on the left side of your screen and select Start from Scratch. The reason we do this is because starting with a clean slate allows you to customize your investment tracking system to your specific needs. Now that we've done that, it's time to create our first table. Let's label this Investment Portfolio. This table will serve as the main hub for all our investments, allowing us to keep track of every fund in our portfolio. Next up, let's add columns to our table. These will represent all the data we want to track for each investment. You might want to include columns like fund name, purchase date, number of shares, purchase price, and current price. You can even add a formula to calculate the total value of each investment and the total profit or loss. This helps us because it provides a real-time snapshot of our investment performance, which is crucial for effective decision-making. Now let's move on to planning future investments. For this, we'll create a second table labeled Investment Plan. Here, we can list potential investments and include information like the target price, target date, and the investment amount. This table will serve as our investment roadmap, guiding us on when and what to invest in. Now that we've got our tables set up, it's time to link them. This is done by creating a link column in the investment portfolio table that points to the investment plan table. The reason we do this is because it allows us to track which planned investments we've already made and which ones are still pending. Let me explain why this matters. By linking the tables, we can create a holistic view of our investment plan, tracking our progress and adjusting as necessary. This is one of the key benefits of using Airtable. It provides a dynamic, interactive way to plan and track your fund investment portfolio. And that's it. You've now set up a comprehensive system to plan and track your fund investment portfolio in Airtable. Keep updating and refining your tables as you make new investments and your financial goals evolve. Remember, the key to successful investing is not just about choosing the right funds, but also about monitoring your investments and planning ahead. And Airtable makes this process effortless and efficient. Happy investing!